How to fix the Instagram swipe to reply to a message option not working. Today in this video we'll see exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now if you open Instagram and go to your chats, tap on the chat and choose a message that you want to reply to specifically. You would normally just swipe on it and you can write your reply and tap on send, and just like that you're replying to that message. Now if you don't have this swipe in option right here, you can still long tap on the message, tap on reply, and you can write the same reply or anything that you want to reply with and tap on send. But if you don't prefer this method or you just want to have that swipe in option, just follow up with me and see how to get it back. You can go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have your Instagram app updated, because usually every update comes with some fixes. Now if that doesn't fix your problem, you can tap right here in the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to the bottom and tap on help, tap on report a problem, and then tap on report a problem without shaking. Tap on don't include and continue, and from here you can describe the problem to them. You can tell them that you don't have that swiping option and send, and they should get back to you in a short period of time with a fix. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.